Hello and welcome back to Skill. In this video, I will show you how to remove background in GIMP. So let's get started. I start by opening GIMP and selecting the picture you want to work with. After that, from the menu, click Layer, then select New Layer and choose the option Fill with is set to Transparency. Now click OK. Again, from the menu, click on Image, then choose Merge Visible Layers and click Merge Now. From the tools on the left, choose Bucket Fill. Now in the Tools option window, ensure Mode is set to Erase and Opacity is set to 100. BG Color Fill and then Radio button is selected and Fill Similar Colors Reload button is selected. Okay, now click on your picture background and remove all of the background parts from your picture. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.